In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the QuickBooks Online interface and set up roles within your account. Let's dive into each step to make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to head over to the QuickBooks Online website and log into your account. This is your starting point for accessing all the functionalities that QuickBooks offers. After logging in, look for the settings icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. This might be represented as a gear icon, which is common in many software interfaces. Clicking on this will open up a menu of options where you can configure various settings. Next, you'll want to click on the option labeled Your Team. This section is where you manage users who have access to your QuickBooks account. It's an integral part of maintaining your firm's or business's security and control over who can see what information. Once you're in the Your Team section, navigate to Roles. This is where you define what different team members can do within your QuickBooks environment. By setting roles, you can tailor access based on job functions or responsibilities. From here, you have a couple of choices. You could either select Client Roles, which allows you to create new roles specifically for accessing clients' books. Or you might choose Firm Roles, which are intended for those who need access to your firm's financials. These roles help ensure that team members only have access to the information necessary to perform their jobs. Whichever type of role you are managing, you can click Add Role to start setting up a new role. You'll need to give this role a name, which helps you quickly recognize the role's purpose within your team. While adding a role name, there is also an option to include a description. While optional, a description can be very useful to provide context or details about what the role entails. After naming the role, you will have several options to tailor the access permissions. You can choose from various categories like sales, expenses, inventory, and so on. Think critically about what areas each role should have access to. If you have a team member who manages budgets, you might select access to budgets and reports. Similarly, someone handling day-to-day bookkeeping might need access to bookkeeping and accounting. As you configure these settings, keep in mind that you can also select or uncheck permissions such as view, create, edit, and delete for each category. This feature provides a granular level of control to match your security needs as closely as possible. And there you have it, a simple, comprehensive way to manage and configure access roles in your QuickBooks Online account. This organization will not only help streamline your operations, but also enhance data security and workflow efficiency within your team.